Hi, I'm Michelle Cromer. This is your Creating a Meaningful Life Tip of the Week. We've all had people break up with us. That's a part of life. But no one really talks about the person that has to do the breaking up. So here are some tips. Breakups are horrible, but here are some strategies on how to gracefully and respectfully let go of a relationship so that you can continue to grow. None of these suggestions may be the key to unlock your burden and perhaps guilt, and that's okay. That magical key may not even exist. But here are some ideas and suggestions on how to start. Number one, let your partner go with love and compassion. If possible, have a face-to-face conversation with your partner, or Zoom if they're not in the same city, to wish them well, let them go respectfully, and thank them for something specific they brought to you and shared, and how that made you a different person and it made a difference in your life. If your partner is not willing to speak with you, still have the conversation as if they're in front of you. This is important because the chi of your words, releasing that gratitude into the energy that surrounds you, is important. Number two, gather up any items for the relationship. Get a container and fill it with photographs, gifts that were received. All of these items contain the chi of the partnership, and they need to be physically removed from your space. And I suggest you do not throw anything away yet. You never know what may happen, but give this box to a trusted friend to keep for you. And number three, take an Epsom salt bath. Soaking in relaxing Epsom salt bath will release any cleansing particles, anything that can help you clear away the negative feelings or negative energy that surrounds you. And this will keep you grounded. Salt, after all, comes from the earth. And number four, if you can afford it, buy a new mattress. We spend hours and hours and hours a night on our mattresses, and they hold a great deal of chi from your relationship. So if you can't buy the mattress, then at least flip the mattress over and do a sage clearing. Burn sage all around the mattress and the bedroom, and open up the windows and the doors and release all of that chi. Number five, so important, spend time alone. Before you move to your next relationship, embrace the pain. Spend time alone in reflection on what happened and take some needed time to heal. Spending time alone will leave you better, not bitter. No one can piece your heart back together for you. Be strong enough to do this for yourself. If you can, your patience and perseverance will definitely pay off. Breakups are deep and they're raw, and there's no easy way around them. Leave your partner in such a way that allows them to believe in love moving forward, and give yourself time to mourn. By ending things with empathy, integrity, and love, and finally compassion, you'll set an example on how they should expect to be treated in the future. And if that's not good chi, I don't know what is. Y'all ask me questions at Michelle@michellekromer.com. Thanks, y'all.